Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 18th of September, 2024. Indian equity indices failed to hold on the early gains and ended on a negative note, with Nifty at 25,350 on September 18th. At close, the Sensex was down 131.43 points or 0.16% at 82,948.23, and the Nifty was down 41 points or 0.16% at 25,377.50. Biggest Nifty losers were TCS, HCL Technologies, Infosys, Tech Mahindra and Wipro, while gainers included Bajaj Finance, Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Asain Bank and Nestle India. Talking about the corporate segment, we have BSE share price advanced to fresh all-time high in Wednesday's trade to 3,794 rupees per share on the NSE, zooming 14.4% from its previous close amid rising buyer interest in the stock. BSE stock has gained nearly 30% in 3 sessions. BSE was leading the pack as the top gainer in the NSE 200 index today. A total of 98.29 lakh shares changed hands today of BSE, generating a total turnover of 3,617.97 rupees crore. The large cap company has a market cap of 51,591.93 rupees crore, as per NSE website. The sharp rise was witnessed as NSE fixed the record date for the bonus issue of shares, which it had approved earlier this year. In May this year, the board of NSE approved the issue of 4 bonus shares for every share held by shareholders as of the record date. NSE is currently not listed on the bourses. National Stock Exchange has officially sought approval for its initial public offering by filing for a no-objection certificate with the capital markets regulator, SEBI. VAKRANGEE share price rose 7% in the early trade on September 18th after the company announced a strategic corporate agency tie-up with Star Health and Allied Insurance. This partnership aims to provide easy access to comprehensive health insurance products through VAKRANGEE Kendran network across the country. A meeting of board of directors of the company will be held on September 24, 2024, to consider the proposal for raising of funds by way of rights issue, warrants, preferential issue including a qualified institution's placement or through any other permissible mode and/or combination thereof as may be considered appropriate, by way of issue of equity shares or any other eligible securities, subject to all such regulatory statutory approvals as may be required, including the approval of shareholders of the company. Torrent Power share price rose more than 8% to hit 52-week high of 1,959.20 rupees on September 18th after the company received LOI for procurement of 1,500 megawatts energy storage capacity. Has emerged as a successful bidder and has received letter of intent from Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited for procurement of 1,500 MW 12,000 megawatt-hours energy storage capacity from pumped hydro storage project, the company said in its release. The company plans to supply the storage capacity from its upcoming pumped hydro storage plant being set up in Raigad district, Maharashtra. Under the pumped hydro energy storage facility agreement, the company shall make available to MSEDCL a contracted capacity of 1,500 megawatts capable of scheduled discharge of 8 hours, with a maximum continuous 5 hours per day. The input energy for charging shall be provided by MSEDCL. Shares of the troubled company Reliance Power rose 5% today, reaching a day's high of 32.98 rupees. After announcing that it has settled its obligations worth 3,872.04 rupees crore related to the guarantee for the lenders of Vidarbha Industries Power. Additionally, the company informed that it settled all its disputes with CFM Asset Reconstruction, and 100% of VIPL's shares have been pledged to CFM in exchange for the release and discharge of the aforementioned guarantee provided by Reliance Power. Reliance Power Limited, Reliance Power, today announced that the entire obligations of the company as a guarantor on behalf of Vidarbha Industries Power Limited stand fully settled, resulting in release and discharge of corporate guarantee, undertakings and all obligations and claims thereunder in relation to the outstanding debt of VIPL amounting to 3,872.04 Indian rupees crore, the company said in a filing to the exchanges. Euro India Fresh Foods Limited in daily time frame is trading around 213.07 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 158 for 4,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 182.58, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.53. Reliance Infrastructure Limited in daily time frame is trading around 282.73 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 52.2 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 230.63, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.76. Hardwin India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45.79 points with a change of 19.93% and is trading with a net volume of around 9.235 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 37.56, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.71. For the stock recommendation we have, Bandhan Bank Limited looks good and can be bought at 204 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 207 rupees and a target of 221 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.